Shubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Myntri Rangbah kajela Conrad ke sangma. Hene kasngi ulayadon wengkat lang ha kasngi Pomblang Ïewduh kasngi Banyngkong jong kasyat nong Khyrim. Habayakran bat kinong thok hubor Conrad sangma ulaong baka jing rakhi ya ka Pomblang kalong ka ba isyong kun bat ka badon jingmun. Namar ka pen I syakiway pat kipat ba satla ka perthai ya ka riti ka dostor ha kajela. Ula ongru bakariti ka dostor kalong ka bakirpang ya kipat ba ka jela bat day ban penne bat pen priang yaka. Shosho ula ongru ban nakaliang ka sorkar kan ai jing kershan ya kane ka jing rakhi namar kalong kumshi benta ban kentiu ya ka kam jengok kai perthai. Ula ongru ban nakaliang ka sorkar kan sa ai jing yaram ban pen bha ya kane ka madan shan.
Our rich heritage and our rich culture of our people, and the fact that we need to preserve it and ensure that we do our best to maintain it, and that future generations can also learn from it. And that's why, after speaking to Paim and to the other elders of CM of Khyrim and all the other organizers out here and even our elected representatives, we have just decided that we will, from the government, we will give our support to develop this particular place where this ritual is being held for more than 100 years, almost 200 years. Ritual is being held in this very precise location, and yet there's not enough development to promote that, and also to attract tourists is not happening. So I'm happy to inform you also that I have decided that we will be supporting and giving infrastructural support out here so that this could become a permanent site, which it already is, but have the required amenities, and also become a good tourist attraction to really showcase the rich heritage and the rich culture that our people and our state has. Thank you very much.